Hello, everyone. Welcome to the vitepos tutorial. This video will show the Stripe terminal payment of the vitepos plugin. Let's dive into it. If you're new to our channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. And if you're already a subscriber, we sincerely appreciate your support. First, let's start by understanding what a payment terminal is. A payment terminal is an electronic device that allows stores to accept card payments. To accept payments, Stripe Terminal integrates seamlessly with your POS system, letting you manage both online and in-person payments from one platform. This greatly simplifies reconciliation and reporting. To enable Stripe payments, head over to the payment module in the vitepos admin panel. Once you click on it, you'll see several tabs. Under the Payment Settings tab, you need to enable the Stripe Terminal Payment option. This will activate Stripe Terminal as a payment option at the POS checkout. Now, go to the Stripe Settings tab. Here, you'll need to connect your Stripe account with vitepos by entering your Stripe publishable key and secret key, which you can find in your Stripe account. These keys are essential for syncing the Stripe terminal with vitepos and getting reader information. Make sure to set the capture method to order complete. We recommend this setting. After saving your settings, move on to the Stripe Terminal Settings tab. Here, you'll map your Stripe readers to your outlets and counters. You'll see all the outlet counters listed. For example, we've mapped the Women's Corner counter of Luigi's Fashion House to US Counter 1, which is the reader's name. We've also mapped the Men's Gallery counter to US Outlet 2. It's simple, just select the outlet and counter and choose the corresponding reader. Now, let's place an order through the POS panel. After selecting some products, click the Pay Now button. You'll see all the available payment methods. Select Stripe Terminal, enter the amount, and click Pay Now. Normally, the cardholder would simply tap their card on the terminal. For this video, we're using a Stripe simulator reader to demonstrate the process of tapping card on terminal. Once the payment is complete, you'll see confirmation on the POS panel, showing that Stripe Terminal was used as the payment method. You can also view the total amount of Stripe Terminal payments on your dashboard. That concludes our overview of the Stripe Terminal payment. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updated videos.